Woo. Okay. Hey guys, it's Melanie and long time. Okay, I should stop saying that. Hey guys, it's Melanie and today, there's a hair in my mouth, sorry. Today I am doing a haul because, I mean, I'm a hauler. Like, honestly, what's the last haul I filmed? Probably way too long ago because I have a shopping addiction, you know? Just to cut it to the straight story. No. Okay guys, so today I am doing a haul. This stuff, cut straight to it, was sent to me by Shein and Romwe, so thank you to both of them. Okay, let's just start with Shein because I got less things from there. So first off, I got this shirt. Really digging this because I love yellow, I love stripes. I think this is just like a really cute shirt. I don't know, it gives me those little like vintagey schooler Tumblr vibes. I don't know, like, yeah, don't roast me for saying Tumblr, okay, sorry. It's not very soft, but I mean, if you want to look cute, you can't always be comfortable, I guess, I don't know. Next thing I got is like a Brandy Melville dupe, and so it's just this jacket, and it looks pretty dang similar. The material is different. This is kind of like a raincoat feel, if that makes sense, and the Brandy Melville one I think is more like, I don't know the name of the material, but it's a little different. But nevertheless, this is pretty dang good quality and it was really affordable, so I would totally recommend. I'm definitely gonna wear this. I think it's really adorable. Okay, next thing I got, I'm not gonna lie, I'm regretting it. It was kind of stupid purchase. Like, I mean, I don't know what I was thinking, so it's literally these fuzzy pants and this fuzzy hoodie, and it's like, it has bear ears and it's like a hoodie like this, and it has these fat pockets. Honestly, what was I thinking? I don't know. What was I thinking? You tell me. I don't know. This next thing, it's a little bit ugly, but I'm so happy with it. I kind of love it. I've worn it so much already. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I feel like Sherpas and fuzzy things are really in this year, this winter, because like it's freaking cold, right? I don't know, fuzzy things are super in. So even before that, I got this, so I was prepared. But basically it's like a salt and pepper, like grayish heathered. It kind of reminds me of like a cat. It fits me really well. I just like the shape of it, and it's really slouchy and comfy. By the way, all the links will be down below. Okay, now onto the stuff from Romwe. I was having a sweater phase where I was like, I need more sweaters because I want to be warm but still look cute, because all I've been wearing to school is hoodies. So I was like, I need to start dressing better. So I ordered a crap ton of sweaters. I'm gonna start off with that. This sweater, it's honestly, it's fine. Like, it's just a turtleneck, it's fine, but then it looks literally nothing like the picture, and to make it worse, there's freaking glitter in it. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but like the threads are like shiny, like glitter. Like, no, I'm not gonna wear this. I'm sorry, that's weird, and it doesn't even look like the picture. Like, if I knew it was gonna look like this, I wouldn't have ordered it, okay? The next one I got, it looks like this. It's a little Scandi. It's kind of contradicting to the point of sweaters because it's so open. I'm gonna be freezing anyway, but it's kind of cute, you know? It reminds me of a ballet dancer. I'm definitely gonna have to pin this or something because I don't have cleavage, and I'm not trying to show anything off because that's no bueno. Thumbs up from me. This next one, it's like the same color, so you can probably tell I'm really digging the colors. I'm not sure how I feel about this pattern. It kind of reminds me of like a grandma or a grandpa, but I actually, you know, I like it. It's like knit all over, and it's super duper chunky, as you can probably tell because it covers me and it covers the whole screen. It's really chunky, but I'm into these chunky things because I'm cold. Nexties, I got this jacket, and I was like debating getting this for a really long time because, like, I don't know, I just feel like, I don't know. And I'm really happy with it. It's basically a Sherpa lined corduroy jacket. I have a jacket that's Sherpa lined that's denim, and I literally never wear it even though it's super cute. I don't know why I never wear it. Ugh. Next off, I got some more sweaters. First, when I got this, I was like, what the heck? Like, my neck is not that long, and I was like kind of mad. I was like, oh my gosh, do they really think my neck's that long? And then I realized I'm stupid. You literally, like, it scrunches up and folds over and it stretches out, because I was like, how am I gonna get my fat head into this? Just another knit sweater. It's kind of like, I can't tell what color this is, honestly, because I'm kind of like high-key colorblind. It's either gray or brown or purple, but yeah. I got this one. Not sure how I'm feeling. It's a little edgy, if you can tell by the rip in the back. Do you see this? A little, woo! I like the color because, I don't know, something about this color is just intriguing. It reminds me of like Washington and the Pacific Northwest, and I'll just be like, chilling in it, I don't know. Okay. Remember, this one was really cheap. It was like $8 or $9, and it's like a v-neck, which, you know, I just said I like because of bralettes. And then on the back, or I guess you could wear this in the front if you wanted to because it's like versatile, it has these little cross thingies. I'm probably gonna wear them in the back though. Next sweater, oh JK, this is a cardigan. This is just a dark gray knit cardigan, and I'm really happy about this because I just have a thing for cardigans. And this is my last sweater. Oopsies. This is my last sweater, and I think it's my favorite just because, I don't know, like the material. It's also a turtleneck, and I've been loving these turtlenecks because you best bet my neck is really cold, and then it's like knit, and it's a little bit cropped, which is awesome for me because I'm literally 2 feet tall. And then the last thing is actually not a sweater. It's a little raincoat, and this, oops, this, I don't know if this is Brandy duped or Brandy inspired, but it's like red, white, and blue, and the stripes are like, you know, it's like color blocked in weird places, and I don't know, red, white, and blue just look really great together. It's really thin, so this is definitely not going to keep you warm, and I don't think this is raincoat material. It's just for style, but I'm definitely going to be wearing this, and it would look great. Actually, you know what, I'm going to throw a few extra things in here because why the freak not? Those are things that were like pretty much sent to me, but I think I'm going to show you guys some stuff I bought because I don't know. I just don't want to leave you guys. I feel like talking some more. So I just got a few things from Nike because they opened a freaking Nike by my house, and it's literally the best thing but also the worst thing. The first thing I got are these leggings. These were about $30, I think. The stuff there was really like pretty good marked down in my opinion because they're originally $75 still, but like cool, but like sleek and like put together, but still really comfy because leggings are comfortable. And I really like the color because they're like a fun color, but it's like muted because I'm not going to be wearing like neon color leggings. That's kind of gross. Oh, there's also mesh like on the inside of the leg, which you can't really tell, but there is. I got this, and this wasn't kids, so it was pretty affordable. I think it was like $18. And this is just an athletic long sleeve, and it's black, and it has a Nike logo on the side. And it also has the little like thumb holes, which is literally my favorite thing in the world. I don't know why it's so appealing to me, but I love thumb holes. You best bet I'm gonna be wearing this to school every day. I coincidentally bought a matching like top and bottom. They're not like matching, but they're matching. Like they're not meant to go together, but they are. I kind of just got these sweats because I wanted my price to go up so that I could get a deal. But you know, these sweatpants are joggers. They're kind of stupid because there's no like, the tie thing is inside, so I'd have to roll it to see the tie, but then when you roll it, they kind of like low-key give you camel toe because they're for guys. I don't know, it's weird because I like my sweats to be like high-waisted because I'm a shorty. You don't get everything you want, it's fine. There's no pockets, which is another thing I don't like, but these were not that expensive. I've been looking for my whole life is this hoodie. No, my neck is not that long also. I've been looking for one of these like either a wrap neck hoodie or a turtleneck hoodie from like an athletic store for so long. I got this bad boy for like $30, which is a freaking steal because it was $60 at Dick's, so steals, y'all. For those lazy days when you want to look like, you want to look cute and like athletic and put together, but then you're like, I want to wear a hoodie, you know, because that's me every day. I got, okay, that sounded kind of nasty. I kind of had a spur of the moment decision. I was like, oh my gosh, Adidas is releasing these NMDs, and like I kind of want some NMDs, and I kind of like want some of these shoes even though I totally don't need them, and so I kind of just like ended up buying them. Someone needs to take my freaking credit card away because I don't know how to save money. But also these came so fast. They came in like literally a day. I was like, thanks Adidas. Freaking suck because I literally ordered these in the wrong size. Literally, I don't know my skin color. I don't know my shoe size. I don't know my body size. I don't know anything about myself. So these are way too big for me, but I'd rather have them big than small, and I'll just wear fat socks with them. This is what they look like. They're the Adidas NMDs women's in like, it's either called like, oh gosh, I don't even remember. I knew it, this dusty pink color, and then it has gray detailing and then the white bottom thing. But yeah, that's what these look like, and I really dig them. I've worn them once because I'm really scared to get them like screwed up. That was my haul. Not trying to brag, blah 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 blah. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye. That's a weird way to end the video. I'm sorry, kind of awkward. Bye. I love you.